welcome back to the channel. I have my first person camera today and we're going to be working on the N55. Today we're going to be doing the downpipe install and we're going to tune it to stage 2, so let's see what it sounds like afterwards. I'm excited. First step is we got to get the car up on jacks. We're going to jack up the front stock cold start. Very quiet.
Okay, so once you have the car up in the air, you're going to get underneath and take off the underbelly pan. It has 8mm screws and there's a bunch of them. Once you have it off, just set it aside. So now we're at the top and we're going to remove the O2 sensors. Just take them right off. They're color coded so you don't mix them up. Here I'm removing the clips that hold the O2 sensor wires. Back underneath the car, you're removing 3 13mm bolts that hold the downpipe to the transmission. It's just a center mount. This V-band clamp that connects to the mid pipe is a 16mm. If you're having any issues with this, use some PB Blaster to help you loosen these bolts. I have 2 E10 Torx and you need to loosen this to be able to move the mid pipe around. Now for the hardest part, this 13mm bolt on the V-band clamp from turbo to downpipe. You'll need a special tool like a 13mm socket with a swivel. The angle is very tight and you need to fit your hand through some tight spaces to get to this. Once it's out, you're going to use a screwdriver to open that clamp. Both sides, I'm going to hammer it here to open it on the other side. As you can see, it's open now, and I'll just wiggle it out slowly. We're halfway there. Now we need to remove the oxygen sensors using an O2 socket. Once it's out, you're going to be transferring over the oxygen sensors. Make sure you transfer them in the correct position. As you can see, the downpipe, the stock one, is very restrictive. You can see the honeycomb in there, it's still intact, so he'll keep this to pass smog, but comparing both, you'll definitely get more flow with Catless, more sound and more power. This exhaust gasket is mangled up, so I wouldn't reuse it. You should definitely get a new one. I'll put the part number in the description so you have no exhaust leaks. Now we're going to be putting it back in reverse. The most difficult thing to do is to put the turbo to downpipe V-band clamp, so just take your time and take breaks as needed. Once you're done, you're just going to reconnect your O2 sensors and you're finished with this job.
Alright, so we're about to do a cold start. When you're ready, Omar. Alright, so we're test driving the 435i with the N55 engine, and I'm doing some data log for him to make sure it's running correctly. Ooh, that's fast. This car is way faster than my M3. Holy shit. It sounds perfect too. It's not too loud. It's just right. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Okay, on this next one, I'm gonna, when you maybe turn right here, and then when you floor it, I gotta check if our boost targets are correct. That is fast.
Really? Damn.
Oh gosh, you really feel the boost now, like the kick.
Yeah, it does feel more.
Oh wow. Oh my god. I got 200 there. Alright guys, so the windows are up now and we're gonna show you guys what it sounds like. Oh man, that is really, that boost, man, I really miss boosted engines. On the M3 it's there's no torque on the M3. Oh, I hear it. Yeah, there it is. Oh, you can hear it now.
Yep.
Dude, once you put 85 on this and an intercooler, man, it's gonna feel insanely fast. All right, so the verdict is out, and the downpipes and the stage 2 tune really make a big difference. You can hear those burbles. You can feel the boost kick in. We're hitting a peak of around 18 to 19 PSI, and stock is 12 PSI, so we're way up there in boost. You're gonna be losing traction a lot now with with this new tune. Burble time. Ooh. Ouch. Damn. That shit is sharp.
Yeah,
that is sharp, man. Alright, so I'm reviewing his log, and boost looks good. There's no leaks. Boost and boost target are online. Timing corrections look good too. Nothing over 6 degrees of timing. The only issue is his IATs are high. He was maxing out at 144 degrees Fahrenheit. So he needs the new upgraded intercooler for sure. So we'll bump him down to stage 2 because he's on stage 2 plus right now, and the stock intercooler can't handle it. So we'll fix that later on. I recommended to him to do XHP transmission tune because that's going to help the car feel a lot faster than it is. It's already feels so quick though. So far, what do you think, Omar?
Oh, it's awesome. I love it. Sounds garage, baby. Sounds garage.
Yeah, all that hard work paid off, man. Give us another rev one more time. That sounds really good, man. So she is parked back in her spot. We just finished installing the downpipe and tuning the car to stage 2. We checked everything and no leaks. Everything sounds good and running fine. Check back for more videos soon about this car. We're gonna be doing more to it, like XHP and upgraded intercooler. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.